organized by CBSE.
What is the purpose of doing all the activities which we do? Upgradation.
Learning.
Growing, upgradation, getting knowledge, learning, living healthy life. I do everything for only one reason, that is called as happiness. Happiness या आप बोल लीजिए satisfaction. That is the only purpose of life. My dear teachers, we are here for learning outcomes and pedagogy. Normally when we go to class, we go with a goal. उस goal को achieve करने के लिए we should have some objectives. जब आपने समझ लिया है कि मेरी लाइफ में पैटर्न डेवलप हो गया है, आधा सक्सेस उसी समय अचीव हो जाएगा. नंबर 2, you should be able to know the problem. When you know the problem, half of the problem is solved.
Our goal is to teach children about different solutes, solvent and solution.
Very nice. Sit down now.
By the end of the chapter, 80% of the students should be able to list the markers of fiction and non-fiction.
Introduce the computer language to the students of higher secondary. I mean 11th and 12th.
Should we do an activity to see the love? बड़ी सिंपल सी एक्सरसाइज है. You are 1, she is 2, she is 3, she is 4, and whenever 4 comes, she will say GD Goenka. 1,
2, 3, GD Goenka Varam Nama School.
No, मैम इतना लंबा करो फिर तो हम खेलते रहेंगे यहाँ. If you miss, you are out. Learning outcomes and pedagogy. What is pedagogy? Pedagogy is art of practice of style of how to. That is pedagogy. People make it so complicated. It is a psychology. It is this. No. Pedagogy is the art, practice, implementation, execution of teaching inside the classroom. Table 2, big round of applause for them. You go well prepared to your class. आपकी lesson plan is fantastic, wonderful. आपकी जो lesson delivery है that is fantastic. भाई आपने जो लिखा था वो एक चीज़ थी, लेकिन जब आप क्लास में गए तब classroom environment entirely different था. You all know your goals, you all know your objectives. What when you decide that after the completion 100% में से 60 या 50 की तो उन्होंने ग्रोथ करी होगी.
In a class, if there is group of 40 or 35 students, there are different types of students, below learners, middle class we can say, and intelligent one. Intelligent one, they are getting, when we are giving hint, they are able to get the concept.
Being a teacher, we should do is to just relate the present knowledge with the previous one.
There is need for a great teacher. We have to update ourselves because nowadays all of you are knowing the students are getting more information as compared to what we are giving them in class. There should be concept of competency based education. भाई अब तो वो रोड मेमोराइजेशन वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है, हटाना है हमें.
In this 21st century, do we need a great teacher or a smart teacher?
We need both. अगर मेरे को मार्केट में फिट होना है, you people are more smart as compared to me, but we have to become a great teacher.
If you want to bring the positive learning outcome in your class, you need to understand all these micro things which are very important. Thank you very much to all of you.